We can edit PlantUML class diagrams easily with Visual Paradigm Chatbot V2. Here is a PlantUML class diagram. Let's bring it into Visual Paradigm Chatbot V2 and see how the chatbot can help refine it. Go to the Team Unified Platform menu and click the Unified Platform button. Then click the AI Chatbot button. Paste your PlantUML code into the chatbot. Right away, the chatbot detects issues in the PlantUML code and automatically fixes them for us. Now that the diagram is corrected, let's start making changes. First, we ask the chatbot to add a new attribute, phone number, to the customer class. The attribute is added instantly. Next, we want the system to support storing customer credit card information. We ask the chatbot to update the diagram accordingly. New class for handling credit card data are created and properly associated with both the customer and payment classes. After that, we request the chatbot to add shipping-related classes. Those classes are generated and integrated into the diagram without any manual editing. The diagram is shaping up well, but all attributes are still using public visibility. This could lead to unsafe data changes and hidden dependencies, so we ask the chatbot to fix that. It updates all attributes to private visibility and creates the corresponding getter and setter operations. To further improve the model, we ask the chatbot to review the diagram and provide recommendations. It identifies 5 enhancements, and we apply them right away. Now the diagram looks complete, consistent, and ready for use. There are several ways we can work with this refined diagram. We can send it to the pipeline and add it to the knowledge base in OpenDocs. Go to Unified Platform and click the OpenDocs button. Select the page where you want to insert your diagram and press Edit button. Click Insert, choose Pipeline, and select the diagram you want to add. Your diagram is now inserted into the OpenDocs page. We can also import it into Visual Paradigm Desktop to turn it into a fully editable model-based diagram. Press the Import to Visual Paradigm button. Your PlantUML diagram will then be converted into a fully model-based diagram, allowing you to continue refining and editing it with all the advanced modeling features. And if we prefer editing the diagram as code, we can send it to VP as code and continue working with the advanced editor. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.